Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to do a brief walkthrough on a fresh out of shrink wrap 2027 model Sea Ray 210 SPX. Fold down swim platform, 250 horsepower, widescreen in the dash. Really nice boat. So 21 SPX. One of the first things everyone notices when they walk into the boat is how big the interior volume of this boat feels for a 21-foot boat. If you put it next to most other 21s, it feels like it just swallows them up. It's just got a lot of room in here. This one does have gray snap-in, snap-out seagrass flooring. We just don't have it in right now because we keep these boats stored under cover outside. Just a whole lot easier to keep clean. That way we can just hose them off. But gray interior. It's got the new Simrad widescreen up in the dash, which is fantastic. 250 horsepower stern drive. So biggest motor that is available for this boat. It absolutely rips. It is such a fun boat to drive. Flip-flop backrest over here. And you can also remove this seat. That way, if you want to use this as just a rear-facing seat, you certainly can. Great storage in the floor. Great storage underneath all of your seats around the front, as well as a ski locker that's incorporated up into the very front. Also, folding water sports tires. So this boat, 7.5 foot from the ground to the top of the tower with it folded down. So this boat will fit in a standard size garage with the swing away tongue. So really fantastic boat. We're happy to finally have this one in stock because we've been waiting for it for a while. So if you got any questions about this or any others you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call.